So you might know this, you might not know this. I live in Canada, so right now it is winter time, but it is also March, so that means spring is right around the corner. And when I think of spring, I think of three things. I think of two things. One, spring cleaning, and two, spring making. And personally, I prioritize spring making over spring cleaning just because I've been stuck in a parka all winter. No one's seen my nice clothes, so I really just haven't dressed up, haven't really worn anything nice for the last whatever months. And now that it's nice out, I need to get all that energy back that I missed out in the winter time. So I've done a little bit of research on the web, and I have found 15 free patterns that you can make, that I can make, that your grandma can make, that anyone can make, because they are F-R-E-E, free. And they're good. They're really good. So I hope you guys don't mind that today's video, I am just gonna dream up everything that I want to make in the next couple months from these free patterns, and not think about the fact that these would take me like 50 billion years if I were to make all of them, but we can dream. I'm just giving you guys inspiration and giving myself inspiration. Jack, you're very distracting. It's not really working here. You might need to move out. So I'm gonna start with crochet today, just because that is something that is very much great in my head right now. So first one, I know this one I'm gonna show you first. It's not the trendiest, well, it's been trendy. I don't know if it's still in, but just personally for me, I have been really enjoying collars. Something I've gotten into. It's been around for a while, but collars have been something cool for me. So I have found this one crochet collar right here. It's called the Suzanne collar, and it looks pretty fire. You guys know I love granny square, and this is made with a granny square technique. You could probably do it all colorful, or you know, whatever floats your boat. You could just do white, do black, do brown, do blue, whatever you want. But I'll probably do white. And this one I really like is because it's not like a sweater, where this will not take me 60 years to make. It might take me 2 years, but it won't take me 60, so this is one I think I'm gonna put as number one on my list, just because it's not so daunting, you know, it's achievable. So we're continuing down the crochet rabbit hole, and this one, a little bit harder to do. Well, not, more effort, more time. And this one's a granny square cardigan, which I still have not made a granny square cardigan to this day. It's something I want to make. I have made granny square sweaters. I've made granny square bags, skirts. I think that's all I've made. So this one, I really want to make. Will I make it? You're gonna have to wait and see. But this one, we can look at it and we can say it's pretty much Jenna, right? So this next one, it is by Wool and the Gang, and it is this Good Limes bag. And it's, I don't know what people call phones nowadays. Is it a phone bag? Is it a smartphone bag? Is it a cell phone bag? I don't really know, but it's for your phone, whatever you want to call that device you carry around everywhere. And honestly, if you guys have not had one of these phone bags so far, you kind of are missing out in life, because they are super handy, especially when you're wearing like a dress and you don't have a pocket for your phone, like you're awkwardly walking around with your phone, because nobody in the society cannot leave their house without their phone. So this is a great solution for everyone out there that does not have a pocket and you want to carry it around. So last summer, I don't remember. Last summer, I made a top similar to this next top here. So this is the Alice top. Do we kind of recognize it? Because I made this top, not from that pattern. I kind of just like wung it and just made that randomly in a video. It's not the same pattern, but if you did like that top, you can make the Alice top here for free. The pattern is from Hobie, and they actually have a ton of sizes. It goes from extra small all up to 3XL. We love a pattern with tons of sizes. But probably my favorite thing about this pattern is the black and white stripiness to it, because for some reason I have been loving black and white stripes. Like, I have this one black and white striped shirt, wear it all the time. It looks good with everything. Okay, last crochet thing before we get into the other categories, because there's 3 categories here. We still have knitting and sewing. We're in crochet right now. But this one, this is for all my folks that like to wear beanies all year round, or for those who are just preparing for fall and they're pissed off that spring and summer is coming and all they want to do is just hibernate. in the summer and wake up in the winter. I got you. So in the fall, I made this free pattern right here, this beanie one where you can make with a whole bunch of scrap yarns, or you don't have to, you can make it one color, whatever, you know, kind of floats your boat. And it's a crochet beanie, or if you're in Canada, it's a crochet toque. It's free. I linked it, well, all of them are. You can get them down below, all the free patterns, but I'm sorry, I'm very tired. I'm gonna take this like the fattest nap after this. I'm excited for that. So for knitting, I don't know if everyone knits here or you crochet or sewing, but I'm trying to get something for everyone here. And so next we have knitting. And this pattern I'm gonna show you is quite the project, but I feel like, hi Jack. I feel like if you're a fast knitter, this is the project for you. And I'm not sure if I will actually do it, maybe one day, but it's this hoodie. Like, who doesn't want a knitted hoodie? And it's a free pattern. Like, I want to make it so badly, but I'm still working on my cardigan that I'm knitting, and that needs to be finished first. But you know, the next project I want to take up that I know is going to take me a year to make, this might be it, because who doesn't like a hoodie and who doesn't like knitted pieces? So if we put them together, pretty guaranteed for you to like it, or if you're that special person that actually makes things for people in your life, I don't think you can give this to someone and they would hate it. So this next one, I'm actually really surprised that this is a free pattern, and it's a free pattern already, because you guys remember the show Wednesday. It didn't come out that long ago, but you can already get the sweater vest pattern. You guys know the checkered one. I know a ton of people have made it, but now you can go get the sweater vest pattern here for free. It's called the Feels Like Wendy vest. No, it's called the Feels Like Wednesday vest. And it pretty much looks exactly like the sweater vest Wednesday wears in Wednesday. So if there's anybody out there that watched the show and just immediately fell in love with the sweater vest, there might be like 3 of you out there, and maybe 1 of you out there that's actually considered making it, but then you're like, oh, there's no pattern, I don't know how to make it. You're welcome. This next one, it is called the Perfect Sense Wrap by Wool and the Gang. And I honestly have never had one of these sweaters, you know, like the crop sweaters, you know. A lot of people have had them and you layer them, they look really great. I have not had one of these before, and I've considered making one for a while because it doesn't seem as intimidating, because like the worst part of a sweater is the body, because it's like so much. But if I just made 2 arms and a little, you know, top part, that's not so bad. This next one, this one is for everyone because it is a men's sweater, and I've never showed you guys a men's pattern before. I know there's some men that watch my channel. I don't think very many, and no one's ever commented saying give me some requests for free men's patterns. But if you're out there and you're a guy and you want a free knitting pattern, I got you. Or for everyone else just like me and you just like wearing men's clothes sometimes, this one's also for you, because now you can make a men's sweater knitting, and it's called the Gorm men's sweater. I know, I could just see like this sweater with, you know, like the collar. Oh, okay, the crochet collar we made. Or you could just wear like a collared shirt, you know, that pops out underneath, and you could put it with like a skirt or something. Or you could just go like full out like menswear and just wear jeans or or cargo pants, like any of the above. I feel like. Do you guys remember how I just said like 2 minutes ago that I love black and white stripes? You didn't think I wasn't gonna give you guys an actual black and white sweater you guys can knit, because I did. I got this one. I found it. It is from Wool and the Gang, and it's beautiful. It's called the Meryl Stripes sweater. That's a pretty good name. It just looks so cozy. It just looks so amazing. It looks like something I want to wear every single day in my place. So I don't know if this one tops the men's sweater, because I'm really liking the men's sweater right now, just having like a nice oversized fit. But you know, if I just randomly become really fast at knitting and I have, you know, a ton of spare time in the next few months, might pop this one out. So I don't know if I said this was gonna be all clothes. I don't think I did, because it's not. I actually do have a pattern that is not clothes, it's not bags, it's not accessories, it's actually like home pieces, and it's this right here. It's towels. It's face wipes. It's everything above. It is also from Wool & Gang, and it has crochet in here and knitting in here, and they're just small projects to make around your home, because sometimes, you know, you just gotta make things for your home and not just for yourself. Like sometimes you gotta take care of the space you live in and be nice to it, make things for it like a washcloth. So I threw this in there. And now for the last knitting pattern. It's called the fuzzy vest. Fuzzy vest! This one definitely is very in right now for trends, just because I've seen a lot of like mohair and fuzzy knits like for the past like year. It's been very in. So if you're really wanting to jump on that fuzzy train, or you just like fuzzy things, this is a great one for you. Or if you don't like fuzzy things, you could probably make this pattern without fuzzy yarn. Just use anything you want. But it's a solid sweater vest. You guys know I've been digging and loving and obsessing over vests. I'm wearing one right now. It's kind of like my identity right now, so I had to throw a vest in there for you guys. You're welcome. Now for the sewing. I'm sorry, I only have 3 patterns to share with you guys, and 2 of them are practically the same thing, because in the past, I've just shared a lot of really, really good free patterns with you guys for sewing. So I'll link the other videos down below where I shared all these amazing free patterns. I didn't want to duplicate anything, but I wanted to show you guys some things that I genuinely would make right now. So these are some of them. So first one is these cargo pants, and it is from Mood. If you guys have not heard of Mood, you're missing out, because that is the place you go to get free sewing patterns. Their sewing patterns are from 00 all the way up to 32. It's amazing. I've made tons of things through their free patterns, so I love them, but they actually have cargo pants, and I really like cargo pants. I've been wanting to make a pair of cargo pants. Here are cargo pants. I'm sorry, 2 pairs of cargo pants. So if you're not into cargo pants, that's not my problem. I just wanted to share things that I wanted to make, and what I really want to make is cargo pants. And I personally could not decide which cargo pants I liked the best. And they also just come in different sizes. Like this pair of cargo pants, the second pattern I'm sharing with you guys for cargo pants, this one doesn't come as many sizes like the last one. So I'm just trying to give many options, and just, you know, some people are very particular about their cargo pants. Like some people don't like certain cargo pants. Like there's so many styles out there. So 2 patterns of cargo pants, you pick which one you want, alter them. I think I would put like elastic drawstring in the drawstring here, and then also at like down here the foot, like the ankle, I would also put it there. Like the elastic one, like the stretchy one, not just like fabric, stretchy one. And then maybe even like the little, like a little button thing you press and it like cinches it, you know, the little, I think you guys get it. And then last one, I also think about weddings when it comes to like springtime too. Like, you know, spring, summer weddings are coming up, and then I never have dresses, and then I'm making them last minute. So I did find this one dress. It looks super easy peasy lemon squeezy. It is a bias cut dress, so you know it looks like all like very beautifully flowy. So this one's the Hannah cut bias dress here, again from Mood. So it comes from 00 all the way up to 32, so hopefully that fits the majority of people out there. And it's just simple. Like this one, you could just have a crazy pattern, wear that to a wedding, or you can make it really simple, like make a little black dress, make it as long as you want, make it shorter, like alter it, do you, just do whatever you want. But I'm just here, just giving you guys free patterns, you do what you want with them. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed just getting a little inspiration. Get some free patterns out there to make with some yarn stash or fabric stash you have in your closet. I don't know. It's spring making season. I hope you guys are in the spring making season rather than the spring cleaning season like I am. If not, anyways, I'm gonna go. I kind of have to go to the washroom, so I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Oh, and it's down below. The patterns, like all the patterns, all the free patterns, you can get it down below in the description. Just go there, get the PDF, and then you can click on all of them, and it'll take you all the website where you free download everything. Just get them all, okay. I'm gonna go. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video next week. Bye.